Welcome to Dad's Dishes. Today I'm going to be trying a sauce that I've never tried before called Tarator. It's a Lebanese sauce with tahini and lemon. It sounds really delicious. There's no alterations I needed to make to this recipe because the ingredients are pretty healthy. Tahini is a ground sesame seed paste. You should use fresh lemons to get your lemon juice, not the bottled lemon juice. And other than that, just a little bit of salt and some garlic, and mix it all together, and you have a paste or a sauce that's good on meats, vegetables, seafood, even great as a sandwich spread. So I'm excited to try it. Let's get started. To start, the first thing we have to do is get together a 4:3 ratio of tahini to lemon juice. For those of you that might be panicking in your head now saying, math is not my strong suit, there's really no cause for panic. All that means is whatever size you make it, you're going to have 4 of the same size of tahini and 3 of the same size of lemon juice. So I'll start with 4 tablespoons of tahini combined with 3 tablespoons of lemon juice. Now you can see tahini will separate pretty readily. You can see that layer of oil on top, so you got to mix it up really good so that it's a peanut butter like. So I've got my 4 tablespoons of tahini here. Really get some elbow grease in there. A lot of the sediment is going to settle to the bottom. You're going to have to really stir it up from the bottom and make sure you combine it well. So now it's time for the lemon juice. When I measure my squeezed liquids, especially like lemons and limes, I love using one of these little tiny measuring cups because it shows me in tablespoons on there. Can you get a shot of that? So you can see where it falls. And if you've never used one of these before, they're great because they squeeze every ounce of juice out of the lemons. You can fit a lemon in this side, or you can fit a lime in this side. And all you have to do is slice your lemon or lime in half. And it looks like it fits like this, but that's not how you want to do it. You actually want to do it the reverse way so that when the pressure comes down, it comes out of this hole. So whoa, escape lemon. So watch this. Just going to squeeze it right into the cup. And look at that, I already got 1 tablespoon. One more tablespoon to go. Sorry, I need to get 3 tablespoons, so I need 2 more.
Before you stop watching this video, you should subscribe and put the notifications on all.
Now I love garlic, so I'm going to put 2 cloves of garlic in. If you've never used one of these before, it's a garlic press. You don't even need to peel the skin off the garlic. You can just pop this in there whole, smash it down. It's going to smash right out.
Look at it all pop out. That looks super cool, right?
And then you just take that skin out, put it in your next one.
Put in the comments if that looks cool.
And I'm going to add a pinch of salt. And mix it up.
Write in the comments if this new batter looks super cool.
So you can see I've stirred it all together here. And it's very thick. So right now it's like even thicker than hummus. So you can add a little bit of water here to kind of thin it out to your personal preference. I'm going to add maybe a tablespoon to start with.
Oh, we need to add about like 3 tablespoons of water. It depends how thin or thick you want it to be. As you can see, since we've added 3 tablespoons of water, it's a lot easier to make as dip.
And the taste is great. Very lemony and fresh, but very also earthy from the sesame seeds. And if you love garlic, you'll love the hint of garlic as well. Let's review. How is this healthy? This is a very versatile sauce that if you make a little thinner, is a great drizzle on top of veggies or meat, and a little thicker, as you can see in our photo, I'm used as a hummus replacement. It's made with whole, natural, unprocessed ingredients, which is what we're always striving for. It has 2 anti-inflammatory ingredients which could help fight cancer, including garlic and lemon. You do want to avoid bottled lemon juice due to the preservatives that are in a lot of those, like sodium benzoate. Many of those have been shown to have an inflammatory effect, and that is not what we want. And also the healthy plant-based fats from the sesame seeds.
I have some steps for you before you end this video. 1. Like. 2. Subscribe to Dad's Dishes and put the notifications on all. 3. Share this video with everyone you know. Bye!